66 degrees by 9 o'clock in Lincoln, 75 by 11 o'clock. We topped out at 77 yesterday, so we'll probably do a couple of degrees better than that. I'm going to say 81 degrees, but that kind of depends on what showers and storms do, because if we get a rush of rain-cooled air due to a thunderstorm, well, that might slow our warming trend for just a little bit. But if we stay dry for much of the afternoon, I think 81 degrees is a decent bet. We'll say 80s for highs for most of us. Now let's dive into that rain chance. Right now we don't see much in southeastern Nebraska. We do see some thunderstorm cells firing out in Holt County closer to O'Neill. These are very slow moving, so they kind of develop, they last for maybe about an hour or so, and then they fizzle out. And we had this one cell in northwest Custer County just flare up, and then it just faded away. We see some more very light shower activity, a couple of lightning pings embedded within these in north central Kansas as well. And I can't rule out a scattered shower or storm developing through the morning hours, maybe even into the afternoon. The Stormcast shows this potential fairly well. I think probably the best chance would be during the afternoon to come across one of these spotty showers. And then the chances get even better later on in the evening. There'll be a surface boundary somewhere in central and northern Nebraska. We'll see some thunderstorm development along that. These will try to push off towards the south. I think this will probably be southeast Nebraska's best opportunity to see at least something. Now, initially, we may have the occasional storm on the stronger side, just some isolated instances of large hail and strong winds in this green shaded area, mainly along and north of I-80. These storms will be weakening throughout the evening hours once we've lost the daytime heating effects. As far as rainfall totals go, it's going to vary. Some of you will get through the evening, actually all of the daytime hours and this evening not seeing anything at all, but if you get caught under one of these thunderstorms, well, you could see accumulations on the order of an inch or two. So here's a look at our 10-day outlook. If you don't see rain today, don't fret, because there are several more opportunities over the next 10 days. You won't see rain every single one of these days, but there will be storms out and about in the state of Nebraska over the next 10 days.